What is up YouTube? Welcome back. It's over the Technoboy, and in this video I'm gonna unbox this copy of JBL Bluetooth speaker. This is another one and it's a charge2 plus, as this is a fake one. That's why the JBL logo is not present here. You can see that. And well, this is the box. It's quite big, and let's take a look at the front. Some 12 hours of battery backup, USB, microphone, and splash proof, I think. And this is, I don't know what it is. Anyway, let's take a look at the back. It's wireless, splash proof, as I said. 6000 mAh of battery, and speakerphone, and technical specs. What's in the box? So many things are here, but I need to ignore that because it's a fake one, so probably all of these things are not going to be inside the box. So let's just quickly open it up. Here it is. The packing is just like the original one, or except the quality of the packing. This is the main product. You can see both sides. A passive radiator, and looks quite good, but I don't know how it sounds. We're gonna check that. So let's see what else in the box. This is a quite big box. Nothing else in this tray. And in this box, it's just a user manual, and there's two. One is USB card, and one is 3.5 mm card. So these two are there in this bigger box, as I expected. The adapter is not here. Okay, now let's take a closer look. At the top, here is the power button, the Bluetooth indicator, the volume minus and plus, I think, and this is what to say, the sharing option or whatever. This is the call option, and this one is the mic. And let's check at the back. This is the USB for pen drive, and this one is for auxiliary input, and this one is for charging, USB charging port, and this one is a TIFF card port, and this is the bottom rubber pad, I think. That's good. Now let's turn this on, and let's check the sound. And now let's connect it to my mobile. Here it is, charge2 plus, and it's pairing. Alright, now it's connected. Now let's try some songs.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll
let me tell you that the voice is clear and the sound is a bit clear, but the overall sound is not so good. This is definitely not good for music. I mean, what to say, I'm not enjoying the music. And the sound is quite light, no pressure on the bass, because there are two big, quite a big size passive radiator on the both side, but they're not making the sound it should be. Let's check some other songs. When I'm touching it, I'm just feeling a bit uh, the what to say the vibration a bit, just a little bit, but no movement of this passive radiator. It should move like this when the bass is heavy, but what to say. All right, now let's check some bass boosted songs. All right, so about the sound, I don't like the music. I mean, I don't like to listen to music and this thing, but this one is definitely good for what to say, watching movies in the mobile and playing games and watching YouTube videos. And for that, this one is quite good because the voice is so clear and the total audio is so clear. The audio output is so clear, no distortion, and also there is no much bass. And if I talk about the looks is the build quality is quite good, and it looks premium. And that's it. The price is around 600. Uh, the 1/4, I think, price of the original one, so we cannot expect much more than that. So that's it. In the next video, I'm gonna try to open it up and gonna see what kind of driver you're using inside this, and I'll try to upgrade things if I can. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.